So guys, in today's video, I am telling you about how to build a backward for loop using Python. So see this video start to end. If you do not see this video start to end, you have problems in your code. That's why I'm telling you see this video start to end. And please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I do not take a long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Using a for loop on any Python object is very easy as compared to other programming languages like C++ and Java. But have you ever tried using a for loop backwards? It is as easy as a general for loop that you use while interacting over any Python object. So if you want to learn how to use a backward for loop, then this article is for you. In this article, I will take you through a tutorial on how to use a backward for loop using Python. So first of all, let's learn backward for loop using Python. For loop is used to iterate over any Python object. If you want to return the index of any values, then you should always prefer a for loop. Below is how you can use for loop over list. So let's get started. So first of all, we write a code. So how we can write a code, let me tell you. First of all, you open your Visual Studio Code. If you do not have Visual Studio, so let me tell you how to download it, okay? It is very easy to download it. So now, first of all, what you can do, go on to the Google. When you go on to the Google, like this type of interface, when you will become like this search bar. So in this search bar, you write like Visual Studio Code. Now this is come. When enter press, now this first link, you will be click on this first link. Then this type of interface you will become. Okay, this type of all interface. Now, do not download it here directly. Download it from here. Like like you are on Mac, download on Mac. If you are on Windows, download on Windows. If you are Linux, download on Linux. Please do not download it from here. Okay, download it from here. Like if you are on Insiders, so download it Insiders. You are in Stable, so download on Stable. I already downloaded, so I do not download it another time. Visual Studio Code is very easy text editor. There is all extensions like Python extensions and all things. Now, first of all, we build this backward for loop using Python. So first of all, we make one file. And how to make a file, let me tell you. First of all, you go on to the file and click on to the new file. Then this type of interface will become and this search bar will be opened, and there in drop down menu like coming text file, Python file. Okay, so here you can write like backward loop .py. You are thinking why I'm writing like py. Py is Python, that's why I'm writing like py. If you do not write py, so Python file will be not built. Like in HTML, we write like index.html. In CSS, we write like style.css. Okay, just like that, we write like py, means Python in Python. Okay, so let's start to write the code. First of all, we write like list. Then we do like that, then do like that. Then here we can writing like names. You write like any name. I'm writing that, like Michael. I'm writing this type of name. You write like your own name or anybody name. And I'm here writing like John. And here I'm writing like you write like many names here. It is your own choice. I'm writing like 5 name only. Like another name I'm writing like comma, and here I'm writing like okay. Now, when our work is done, so first of all, you write like for I in list. Then do like that, then that. And when you do like that, we can do like now. Write print I. Then here you will be write like name, like Ryan. No, do not like that. Like no. Ryan. Okay, like that. Now let me tell you what you can do. You write like here nothing. When you write like here nothing. So now when you run, so it will give you the name like it will giving the error. Yeah. Here, first of all, we erase that. Now it is not giving an error. So it is giving like Ryan, Michael, John, Maria, Franklin. Now coming back to using a for loop backwards. Python has inbuilt function known as reverse that can be used to reverse the order of a Python object while using for loop. So below is how you can use a backward for loop using Python. So let's see. So in here, first of all, what you can write here you can write like for I in reverse list, then do like that, then do like this and erase that and erase that. Then when you run, so it is giving the error like backward loop list, okay, like that. Now it is giving the error also. Inbuilt function, like here we can erase it. Okay, I understand it. What we do, we copy it, erase it. Here we can paste it. Now we run. So it will come like Franklin, Maria, John, Michael, Ryan. In the above, we do not write like reverse, means the reverse module, like backward for loop. Now when we write like backward for loop, so it will giving like Franklin, Maria into the end. When we do not write backward loop, so it will giving like Ryan, Michael. Here you can see it. The built-in function in Python known as reverse can be used to use a for loop backwards. So this is how you can easily use a for loop backwards in the Python programming language. I hope you will like this article on a tutorial on how to use a backward for loop using the Python programming language. Feel free to your valuable question in the comment section below. So I hope you can enjoy this class, and when you do not write here reverse, so it will give like Ryan. When you write here reverse module, so it will giving like Franklin, Maria. Here you can see it. It is very easy, and it is your own choice where what name you will give and many names you will give. It is your own choice. Here you can see it. In today's video, I will tell you like that backward for loop using Python. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And you do not know what is while loop, what is loops or for loops, let me tell you what is that. First of all, you go on to the Code with PK My channel. When you go on to the Code with PK My channel, first of all, subscribe it and all the notification bell. Then go on to the playlist. Then go on to the Python tutorial playlist. Then see this here all videos, because in this playlist I tell you all things like while loop, functions, function argument, introduce to list, like list method, tuples, operation in tuples. I tell you all things in this video. That's why I'm telling you see this video start to end. So now this all video start to end. So now I'm meeting next lesson, next very amazing class like that. So for today, goodbye.